Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text behind a person video edit on CapCut PC. So select your video, copy and paste it. On the second video, go to cutout and select auto cutout. Simply select text and add in the default text under that layer and just type in whatever you want, maybe like this beach one, and as you can see it's just automatically behind the person. Might choose a better font for that, like this one maybe. Might add in a shadow so that you can see it a little bit better, like that. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.